Follow these steps to set any song as iPhone alarm. Let's get started. First, you'll need to get this app, GarageBand. You can get this app easily from the App Store. Once you download this app, launch it. Click Continue and click on Allow. Now you'll need to customize few settings. Navigate to the option Audio Recorder and click on it. Now click on the gear icon in the top right corner to adjust the settings. Turn off both the metronome and counting, then press Done. After that, click the plus icon on the right to section A and turn on automatic. Tap Done again. Now go to top and press blue icon. Then tap 3 lines on the top left to switch to next screen. From there, press loop button on the top right. To add a song, make sure it's saved in your Files app on your iPhone. If you don't have it yet, you can download songs from websites like NCS or Pixabay. Once you have got your track, go to Files tab in GarageBand and tap Browse Items from the Files app. Find the song you want to use, then drag it into the timeline. You can adjust the start and end points of the song by tapping and dragging. Once you are done with this selection, press the arrow in the top left to go back to My Songs. Tap and hold the song, then choose your and select ringtone. You'll be asked to name the ringtone. You can rename it, then click on Export. Once it's done, click OK. Now open the clock app on your iPhone. Go to Alarm section, create a new alarm, or choose the existing one. Tap Sound. You should now see the song you have just created. Checking for it. This way you can set any song as iPhone alarm. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.